Fix Discord stuck on the starting screen or showing a blank gray screen. First, we need to completely close Discord because it might be glitched in the background. Press Ctrl, Alt, and Escape on your keyboard to open the Task Manager. Find Discord in the list, right-click on it, and select End Task. Make sure all Discord processes are closed. Now try to open Discord again to see if the problem is fixed. If it is still stuck, the second step is to run it with admin privileges. Right-click on the Discord shortcut on your desktop and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes if a window pops up and check if Discord loads up. If that doesn't work, the third step is to check your computer's time and date. If your Windows clock is wrong even by a few minutes, Discord security certificates will fail and it will get stuck on starting. Right-click on the clock in the bottom right corner of your screen, select Adjust Date and Time, and click on Sync Now. After syncing your time, try opening Discord again. If the issue persists, we need to clear the broken temporary files. Press the Windows key and R at the same time to open the Run box. Type %appdata% and hit Enter. Find the folder named Discord, right-click on it and delete it. This will not delete your account, it only clears cache. Now open Discord again to see if it works. If it still won't open, there is one last folder we need to clear. Open the Run box again by pressing Windows key and R, type %localappdata% and hit Enter. Find the Discord folder here, right-click on it, and delete it. After deleting both folders, launch Discord and it should download a fresh update. However, if absolutely nothing worked, your installation files are completely corrupted. Your final option is to go to the official Discord website, download the latest installer, and run it to completely reinstall the program. This will overwrite all broken files and fix the issue for good. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe for more tips.